The culture of Banten province is very unique. The various ethnic groups that inhabit the Banten area make the culture of the Banten province more diverse. Banten has a variety of traditional dances which are usually performed in various traditional ceremonies, welcoming guests, or cultural performances. Each ethnic group has its own culture. The immigrant tribes brought their original culture and developed it in the Banten area. There was cultural acculturation at the level of community life. This multi-ethnic mix is what makes Banten's cultural traditions distinctive, unique, and interesting. We know that the Banten dance is one of the most famous dances in Indonesia. There are many dances from the Banten area which are mainly often performed by local people on certain ritual occasions. The residents of Banten province, which are spread over 8 districts/cities, have their own unique dances. Some of them are even famous nationally and attract foreign tourists.